and bones of the facial skull. First of all, ethmoid bone. Ethmoid bone consists of two lamina. Here it is superiorly lamina cribrosa, cribriform plate, lamina cribrosa, and here it is lamina perpendicularis. Lamina cribrosa has crista galli, here it is. Laterally we have labyrinthus ethmoidalis, here and here. Lateral surface of labyrinth, that is lamina orbitalis, because it's participate in medial wall of the orbita, lamina orbitalis. And two concha, concha nasalis superior and concha nasalis media. Inside of ethmoid bone, we have cells, cellula ethmoidalis, anterior, medial, and posterior, cells of ethmoid bone, cellula ethmoidalis. That is all about ethmoid bone, and I want to show that is position of ethmoid bone. Here it is lamina cribrosa with crista galli. Here it is lamina orbitalis, here and here in orbita, and that is here it is lamina perpendicularis in septum of nasal cavity. Next bone. Here it is only name of os nasale, nasal bone. Only name, os nasale, that is all. Nasal bone. Next bone, here it is lacrimal bone, os lacrimale, lacrimal bone, and here it is necessary to know crest, crista lacrimalis, and in front of them sulcus lacrimalis. Next bone is inferior concha. Here it is concha nasalis inferior. This concha attached to maxilla, that is upper jaw, maxilla, and we have crest, crista conchalis, here and here, that is crista conchalis, and concha nasalis inferior, it's attached to this crista conchalis. Now, some words about maxilla. It consists of body, corpus, maxilla, here it is, and some processes. This one is frontal process, processus frontalis, zygomatic process, processus zygomaticus, alveolar process, processus alveolaris, and palatine process, processus palatinus. Here it is. Body of maxilla, corpus maxilla, has four surfaces. That is anterior surface, facies anterior. This surface has opening foramen infraorbitalis. And the same here it is, we have fossa canina, canine fossa, opposite to canine dens. Next surface is facies infratemporalis, and here it is, we have tuber, maxilla, and groove, sulcus palatinus major. Nasal surface, facies nasalis, has crista conchalis, crista ethmoidalis, and sulcus lacrimalis. This opening, that is hiatus maxillaris, and cavitas inside of this bone, that is sinus, sinus maxillaris. Hymaritis, that is inflammation of this sinus. And last surface is facies orbitalis. Here it is, we have sulcus infraorbitalis, and this groove continues into the canal, canalis infraorbitalis, and canal opens with the help of foramen infraorbitalis on anterior surface. That is maxilla, and necessary to identify is it right or left. You take this way, frontal process should be anteriorly, and nasal surface looks medially. That is right maxilla. Here it is left one. They join together this way. That is right and left bone. Next bone is mandible. Mandible, it is unpaired. Maxilla is paired bone, but mandible it is unpaired. Consists of body, corpus mandibular, and two branches, here and here, ramus mandibular. Between ramus and corpus mandibular, that is angulus, angle, angulus mandibular.